Good day, good evening, guys. This is SJ Tech. So I'm going to be showing you how to use your tools in creating an app, and we're going to be creating a web app, which is a browser. Firstly, what you do is to click this plus sign. You're going to give your application a name. I'm going to be giving my application by the name SJ Browser. Now you choose any app icon you desire. You can choose any app icon you desire. As I go with mine. So you click this advanced settings. Now you change this package name to whatever you like, but you have to follow the pattern, which is com.something dot something. Now your project name should be same as your app name. Browser. Now you click create app. You wait for some time, it loads. Now these are the tools I told you about. So these are what we're going to be using. So firstly, we drag in our linear view. Firstly, you go to this main XML. You click it. Now I want us to be removing this toolbar because it's not necessary for a browser. So you click on toolbar and it's gone. This is for status bar, but we need it. So we just remove the toolbar. Now screen orientation should be both. Your keyboard settings should be hidden. Now this screen orientation, we're putting it both so that you could use it in portrait and in landscape. So you save and you go back to the main screen. First, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be imputing linear H. So you hold it, then you take it to the app, to the screen, as you can see. Let me go over it again. You hold it and take it to the screen and you let go of it. Now we are going to be changing the width of the linear view to match parent. Secondly, what we're doing is we're going to be changing the name for easy identification because it gets confusing sometimes. So we're going to be changing the name. You can give yours any name, but I'm going to be giving mine header 1. So next we take in our linear H. I gave you the definition of this: linear H, linear V, scroll H and scroll V. Now what we'll do now, I'm going to be giving mine a name. Go to this ID over here, this ID over there, click on it and give it a name you can identify. So I'm going to be giving mine header T and click save. Header T. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be clicking on header 1 for easy identification. You click this button, it's going to show you all the headers. So I click on header 1, and what I do now is this: I go to the height for header 1. This is the height. I click on it and I choose wrap content, as you can see. Then I bring in another linear V, change the width to match parent. I go over to the naming, change the name. So I'll be giving my footer 1. whatever you're comfortable with. Then, like we did in the first place, bring in a linear H. I'm going to be naming it footer T. I save. So we're not doing anything with the height and the width for that one. Now what we'll do now is this: click on this button to bring out all that we've placed inside, and we'll go to header 1, which is this. Now you go to your height in header 1 and you go to your height in header 1 and you choose match parent. Then you go to the weight sum, which is this. You click on it, change it to 1. So we're almost done. Then you go to padding, which is this. You click on it and you change it to 0. You change all to 0. Let's click 0. Then all is 0, yeah. So all 0. Then you save. Watch closely. Now you go to your footer 1, and you click on the padding, change it to 0, then you save. So I'm going to be leaving this for you guys this evening, so you'd go over it. Thank you very much. Keep being awesome.